Lasky's class, and we wanted to share with you some strategies we have for practicing good self-control and not being a volcano in class.
Hi, I'm Hunter, and we close our eyes. Hi, I'm Chrisabella, and we close our eyes for a moment. Oh, hi, I'm Daniel. Hi, I'm Donna. Hi, I'm Tyler. And we finish our fingers. Hi, I'm Isabella. Hi, I'm Antonia. Hi, I'm Isabella. Hi, I'm Ava. And we count to 10. Hi, I'm Ava.
Hi, I'm Olivia.
Hi, I'm Olivia.
And we take a deep breath.
Hi, I'm Mackenzie. I'm Amelia. And we remember to wait our turn. Hi, I'm Aubrey. Hi, I'm Mia. And we stop and read a book. Hi, my name is Christian. Hi, my name is Connor. And we remember to hold it until the right time.
Hi, my name is Declan, and I'm from Boyle Road School. This is what self-control means to me. I think self-control plays a big part in being mature and being kind and being the best you can be. I've also learned in this past week it can improve your attitude. Whenever I felt anger, I just took a deep breath and moved on in my day. After that, you slowly feel better and better about yourself and make you a greater person in the community. And that is what self-control means to me.
Thanks, Declan. Awesome.
Thank you.
I'm Isabella Manganello. I'm from Boyle Road School. This is what self-control means to me. I can use the think strategy to check what I'm going to say is necessary and kind before I say it because I know words can hurt.
Very good. I think a lot of people will learn from that. Thank you for sharing.
Hi, my name is Ava Garcia. I go to Boyle Road School. The strategy I use to talk less and listen more is to make sure what I say at an appropriate time and what I say fits the conversation and the audience I'm talking to.
Very mature.
Yeah, that is a great skill, and a lot of people have a hard time with that.
Good job. I'm so proud of you.
Hi, my name is Gabrielle. Hi, I'm Caitlin. And I'm Kaylee. We are from Terryville, and this is Hughes' class. I made a poster, and one of the things that we want to show you is things. T for true, H for helpful, I for important, M for necessary, K for kind, and think before you speak.
Yeah, that's it. If you think before you speak, a lot of bad things will be avoided, right?
Yeah.
Very good job. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Simon. Hi, I'm Adam. Hi, I'm Anthony. This is our poster, and we're all going to read one of our quotes that we wrote. Okay, I'll go first. You can say something that is not going to hurt someone's feelings. I will wait till someone's done talking. I will let my words out of my nose without making noise.
Great suggestions. Thank you, guys.
Thank you. Great.
Hi, my name is Carlos. And what do you do if your mouth is going to erupt? You say the words, no. You breathe, yes.
Good job.
Great job.
My name is Arlinis. My name is Sarlanis. And when I feel like my mouth is going to erupt, I can relax.
What else?
And I can do yoga for relax a little bit.
Right. Yoga is such a great thing.
And this is a picture of someone's mouth going to explode.
Good job.
Good job, ladies. Thank you.
You think you should do yoga, meditate, think of something calm.
Very good. Super.
Good idea.
Thank you.